Hello students, welcome to Vidya for Success. In today's class, let us study how to convert numbers from one number system to another number system. So why this conversion, why it is important? The reason is computer can understand only zeros and one. So that's why the data which may be available in different number system need to be converted from one form to another form. That too from decimal or octal, hexadecimal to binary we need to convert it. So that's why conversion of number system is very important. So the conversion of number systems will be studied under three headings. Okay, so that is number system conversion, number system conversion, number system conversion will be studied under three different headings. The first form of conversion is converting decimal number to any other number system, that is, we will be having the number in terms of decimal that will be converted to any other number system. Apart from decimal, what are the different number system? Either you can convert it into binary, or you can convert it into octal, or you can convert it into hexadecimal. This is the first way of converting. Okay, so the number system conversion are of three different types. The first one is converting decimal number to any other number system. So this is the way of conversion. Similarly, the second method is converting any other number system to decimal number system. That is converting any number system. It can be in terms of binary, or it can be in terms of octal, or it can be in terms of hexadecimal, but it should be converted to a decimal number. Okay, you need to find the answer in terms of decimal. So this is the second variety. Similarly, the third form of conversion is converting from any other number system to any other number system. That is, there may be binary number system, or else it may be octal, or else it may be hexadecimal. Okay, we've been asked to convert it into either octal or hexadecimal or binary, no decimal. So this is the third version. Okay, so the number system conversion, there are three different types. So I have told you all the three different types. So in today's class, let us start the number conversion with the first variety, that is converting decimal number to binary number system. Okay, so converting decimal number to binary number system. First question, let us convert 49 base 10. Base 10 is nothing but decimal. Why base 10? What does 10 indicate here? It says that in decimal number system there are totally 10 different symbols from 0 to 9. We need to convert it into binary. Okay. So, how to convert this? Very simple. Please notice here, 49 will be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Next again, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. 2 6 are 12. What is the remainder? 0. 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder? 0. 2 1s are 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Further, you cannot divide 1 by 2. So, now we need to write the answer. So, what is the answer? You need to write the answer from like this, lower order to higher order like this. So, the answer is 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary equivalent of 49. So, if you gave 49, if you feed data 49 in computer via keyboard, computer will convert 49 to 111001. It can't understand what is 49. It can understand 110001. So, this is what converting from decimal number to binary numbers, binary. Okay. So, let me consider one more example. One more example. Second problem. Convert 128 base 10 to binary. So, let us start. 128 will be divided by 2. So, we are converting to binary. So, that is why we need to divide it by its base by the converting base. So, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. 2 8s are 16, remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Further division is not possible. Now, let us write down the answer. The answer is 1 followed by 7 zeros. So, computer can't understand what is 128. That's why it has converted it into a binary. What is the binary value? 1 followed by 7 zeros. This is the binary equivalent. So, now we have tried to convert a decimal number to a binary equivalent. Next, let us try one more time. Let us try to convert a decimal number. That too, let us try to convert a fractional value. Okay, a decimal fractional value. Decimal fractional value to binary. Let the first question be, convert 21.55 base 10 to binary. Please notice here, in this question we are having both integer part and fractional part. Okay, is it difficult? No, very easy. First, let us work out with the integer part. What is the integer part? 21 is the integer part. Let us divide this by its converting base. So, we are trying to convert it into binary. So, let us divide it by 2. So, 2 1s are 2 0, that is 2 10s are 20. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. 2 5s are 10. What is the remainder? 0. 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? 1. 2 1s are 2. What is the remainder? 0. So, this is the answer only for the integer part, Okay. Now, what about the fractional part? So let us consider only the fractional part. This is integer part, this is the fractional part. Now let us consider the fractional part. The fractional part is 0.55. Now let us multiply this fractional part with its converting base. Now we are multiplying. Whenever there is a decimal fraction, we will be multiplying the decimal with, that is fractional part, with its converting value. Okay, so that is, we will be multiplying with the converting base value, that is 2. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, so 1.10. Is this answer? No. Again we need to consider only the fractional part. So the fractional part is 10, that is 0.10. Again multiplied by 2. So answer is 2 into 0 is 0, 2 ones are 2, 0.0 as it is. Is that the answer? No. Again you need to consider the fractional part. So the fractional part is 0.20 multiplied with 2. So 0, 2 2s are 4, 0. Okay, this is the fractional part. So you can continue. How long you can continue? Until you get all the fractional part as 0. Okay, so you can continue up till either 3 or 4 levels, or it is enough once you get the fractional part as 0. That's also enough. But here we didn't come across the fractional part as 0. That's why we will be stopping by the 3rd level. That's enough. So now we need to write the answer. So what is the answer for the fractional part? The answer will be written in this way. Okay, so first let us write the integer part answer, that is for 21. The answer is 10101 point. For the fractional part, that is 0.55, the answer is 100 to the base 2 is the answer. Okay, so this is how we are going to convert a decimal fraction to its binary equivalent. Okay, so with this I will be ending the video. Thank you.